Hello and welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are having one question. Equations are there. So the question is, let x and y be positive integers satisfying the equation xy is equal to 2048 and x over y minus y over x is equal to 7.875. So we are going to solve this problem. So before we start, don't forget to pause the video and try it, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's start the problem. Here some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. Here in this problem, we have to solve. Here the value is a decimal, that is one point here, and here xy is given 2048. So here first of all, how to solve this problem. So here so many trials and errors I made. At last I got a simple method. So here the logic here how you are getting is 8 plus 1 by 8, sorry, 8 minus 1 by 8 is equal to 63 by 8. 64 minus 1, this value is 7.875. 7.875. So here by using this you are going to do the problem. And another point, 2048. 2048 is 2 to the power of 11. 2048 is 2 to the power of 11. So here also it is 2 cube. So this x and y will consider. Let x is equal to 2 power a. So all are multiples of 2 here, 2 powers. So here 2 cube we are getting minus 1 by 2 cube. So we are taking x equal to 2 power a, y is equal to 2 power b. Now replace this in first one. What is given? Xy is equal to 2048. So we can write 2 power a into 2 power b is equal to 2 to the power of 11. So 2 to the power of a plus b is equal to 2 to the power of 11. Bases are equal, powers must be equal. A plus b is equal to 11. Let it be 1 now. Now if you go to the second one, substituting the values in the second one, what is given here in the second? X by y minus y by x is equal to here I am taking 8 minus 1 by 8. 8 minus 1 by 8 is getting. So here 2 to the power of a by 2 to the power of b minus 2 to the power of b by 2 to the power of a is equal to 8 minus 1 by 8. So here 2 power a by 2 power b, let it be 8. 2 power a by 2 power b is equal to 8. If you are having exponential form, 2 power a minus b is equal to 2 cube. So a minus b is equal to 3. A minus b value 3. Now let it be second equation. Let it be second one now. Now a plus b is equal to 11. Solve this. You got a plus b equal to 11. So 2a is equal to 14. That implies a value is 7. 14 by 2, we are getting 7. So a is nothing but x is equal to 2 power a, that is 2 power 7. The value is 128. Now here from this you can get b value 4. A value 7, b value 4. Then only you'll get 11. So here what you'll get y is equal to 2 to the power of b, that is 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 60 now. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.